Hi, this is the LG PL7W Bluetooth speaker, and in this video I would like to show you what you can do if you have any charging or connectivity problem with this speaker. In this case, it's worth to try to reset the factory default settings of the speaker. First, to do this, I will turn it on. And after that, you can reset the speaker by opening up this flip, and you will find a pinhole here with a reset title above it. So we just have to press the button in this pinhole. I will use a screwdriver head for this purpose. And let's see what happens. When I quickly press it, as you can see, the speaker turned off, indicating that the reset was successful. So I will just turn it on again. And yeah, the reset was done. Hopefully it solved your problem. If yes, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. You were watching The Speaker Fanatic.